Okay, so let's do some karate. Everybody step 1 foot back, bend your knees, put your hands up and go, AHYA! Because karate is all about protecting yourself and protecting your body. So let's say that all of a sudden something's flying towards your nose. Like when I was a little yensei, I was playing frisbee with one of my friends. And we were in the park throwing the frisbee back and forth. And all of a sudden I heard, woof, woof, and behind me, and I was like, oh, what's that? And I turned behind me, and it was a cute little doggy. And I said, hi, doggy. But when I turned around, my friend didn't know that I was looking at the dog. He just threw the frisbee, and the frisbee went, oh, and it hit me right in my nose. Do you think that felt good? No, it explains a lot. So what I did was I went to my karate teacher and I said, Sensei, that's what a sensei is, karate teacher, what do I do if something's flying towards my head? He said, you can do a duck. I went, rant, rant. He's like, no, not that kind of duck. A duck where you bring your bottom to the ground so anything that comes near you is going to fly over your head. Okay, so the duck song goes to Mary Had a Little Lamb. And Yensei, just remember, he forgot something fun for you kids. So we're going to sing Mary Had a Little Lamb. I'm going to run off camera and come back because that's the way it goes. Ready, set, go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as potatoes. What? What? Potatoes are white? What are your mashed potatoes? Are they green? No? I don't know. Oh, if pesto mashed potatoes, those are really, really good. Okay, I got those for a little bit. So, the duck song sounds like Mary Had a Little Lamb. Everybody step 1 foot back. I like the way you have your foot back. I like the way you have your foot back. Oh, some kids aren't paying attention. Roof! Oh, there you go. Do I want you to have your elbows out or do I want you to have your elbows in? Good job. Now, when we do the duck song, I want you just to yell AHYA at the end. Everyone practice AHYA. Go AHYA! Nice job. Ready, set, go. Bring your bottom to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. Bring your bottom to the ground. Karate duck. Ready? We're going, AHYA! That was so cool. High five. Awesome. Give yourself a high five. Okay, good. Let's do the other side. Ready? I like the way you stepped your other foot back. I love the way that you have your hands in front of you. Good job keeping your elbows in. Ready? Oh, gotta fix the hair. Ready, set, go. Bring your bottom to the ground, to the ground, to the ground. Bring your bottom to the ground. Karate duck. AHYA! Awesome. Okay, ready? Let's do the duck with the sunballs. I'm gonna throw a sunball at you, and I want you to do a duck. Ready? Do I want you to yell chicken feet? No. Do I want you to yell spaghetti peel? No. Do I want you to yell AHYA? Yep. Okay, ready, set, let me hear AHYA. Good job. Good job. Let me hear you. AHYA. Nice. Keep going. Keep going. Let me hear you go, AHYA, AHYA. Okay, here's some tricky ones. AHYA. Oh, AHYA. Nice. Around the back. AHYA. Here we go. Come on, keep talking. AHYA. One more. AHYA. That's pretty good. I'm talented. Just go to AGT. All right, awesome. You did a good job. High five. Okay. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.